Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly on how you can reduce the background noise in your footage. Maybe you shoot your video outside in the public and it kind of a noisy. Maybe you got a truck moving and you have people passing by, horn blowing here and there, and you put that video into CapCut. How can you remove or reduce the noise completely from this? So like intervention resolve, there's a long way intervention resolve, but in this video I'm going to make it short for you and very easy to do. So firstly, you import your video into CapCut like you see here. I've already put the video into CapCut. So you come to this tag called audio tag. So you look beneath it, you will see here. So let's remove this first. So if you play this video, you will notice that
Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can reduce noise.
you see birds chanting on the back. So you want to reduce that noise from the background. How do you do that? So if you come here on this uh noise reduction and let's play again and see how is it.
Background noise in CapCut.
You
In
see that?
today's video, I'll drill you through on how you can actually remove the noise from your video.
So let's do it again. So we see it as to whether we have it. So it's just very easy. And just come to play it normally. Let's see. See there's a noise in the background.
Hello viewers, today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can reduce.
So let's get it back and activate the noise reduction into CapCut. And I think this is way better in the PC than the mobile, but it can also be done in mobile. But I noticed it's better up on a PC because you see completely it will remove the background noise. So let's give it a try again. See, let's play this footage and see.
Hello viewers, today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can reduce noise, background noise in CapCut. In today's video, I'll drill you through on how you can actually remove the noise.
So that's it. Very simple to do. So if you have a PC, you can give this a try. You can even try on your mobile, your mic, even a tablet. It works a lot. It helps reduce the background noise than even DaVinci Resolve. I've seen DaVinci Resolve to be a challenge in doing this, but I think this is obviously a better tools to use for your video editing. So share this video, like it, and drop the comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. So you just export this video, and like this you just export your video, and then you can upload it to whatsoever platform you want to upload it to, other YouTube or Facebook, LinkedIn. So for whatever purpose you are doing this video for, you can just do it. So it's very easy to do. Keep following TC Vama here on YouTube. You can also find us as Vama Content on Facebook. You can like and also follow there. See you in my next video.